If you use HubSpot for your email marketing, setting up double opt-in isn't just a best practice. It's a smart way to build trust with your audience and keep your contact list safe from spam and bots. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process for activating and customizing double opt-in in HubSpot. So by the end, you'll make sure only genuinely interested users receive your emails, and you'll be on the right side of compliance too. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Look to the top navigation bar, where you'll spot the familiar gear icon. That's your settings. Click it. Entering settings is like opening the control room for your entire HubSpot workspace. So it's the perfect place to start whenever you're setting up a feature like double opt-in. Once you're inside settings, head to the left sidebar. You'll need to drill down into the section where HubSpot manages its email functions. Click on Marketing, and then select Email. This path takes you straight to all your email settings. Think of it as your email engine room. Now, look for the tab labeled either Double Opt-in or Subscriptions. The exact name depends on the level of your HubSpot subscription, so don't be surprised if you see a slightly different label. This tab is where the magic happens, letting you control how your new contacts confirm their subscriptions. At this point, it's time to actually enable double opt-in. You'll notice a switch that might say Send Double Opt-in Email or Turn on Double Opt-in. Go ahead and toggle that to on. Don't worry if you pause for a second here, it's a small click, but it has huge implications. With a single action, you're giving your email list a strong layer of protection. Double opt-in works like a bouncer at the door, making sure only real people get through. If you're using HubSpot's starter tier or free tools, the configuration is pretty straightforward. You'll be prompted to select a sender for the confirmation email. Choose someone your audience will recognize. That familiarity can help your email's open rate. Then, pick the right language for the email, depending on your subscriber's region. Craft a custom subject line too. This line is literally the first thing your new contact sees in their inbox, so make it clear and inviting. Once you're satisfied with these details, click Save in the bottom left. It's a small button, but don't miss it. Saving locks in all your choices. On the other hand, if you're on HubSpot's professional or enterprise plan, you get a lot more flexibility. Here, you can control exactly where double opt-in applies, maybe for all forms and pages, or only for certain ones. This is super useful if, for example, you have a contact form for general inquiries that you want to exempt. You can also fully customize the confirmation email's content and branding. Take the chance to make the message sound like you. Add your logo, update the text, and don't forget to click Publish once you're done. After a user clicks the confirmation link, you can direct them to a specific HubSpot page, like a warm welcome or a free gift. For that finishing touch, you even have the option to set up a follow-up email to land right after someone confirms. This is a great moment to thank new subscribers or offer next steps. Tweak these settings as needed, and then hit Save in the bottom left to make everything official. And that's it. You've successfully set up double opt-in in HubSpot. Your email list is now cleaner, your brand is more professional, and you're setting yourself up for deeper audience engagement. If this video helped you out, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Have a question or need clarification on a particular part? Drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your email campaigns.